Going to discuss how you can install Woodmart theme and add demo content. So first of all, you can go here and type Woodmart theme, and then here you can see this one, theme forest. You can also get theme from this website, theme file. After that you will get a zip file. Here you can see this one. Then you need to extract this file, and after that you will get multiple files inside. So you will get this type of theme file. Make sure that theme file is in zip format. You can check here the format. After that, let me log in into my WordPress website, wp-admin. So to log in into any WordPress website, you can use this method. Then now click on login button, and now you can go in appearance, then themes, click here, and then click on the button add new theme. Then upload theme file, then select the theme file. So here you can see this one. Then click on install button. And it will take few seconds for theme files uploading and installation. So guys, here you can see theme is installed. Now let's click on activate button. And after that, let's click on start button. So you can activate this theme with license key. Then after that, click on next step. Then install child theme. Then again click on next. And here you can select page builder that you want to use. So I want to use first one, Elementor. Then click on next. And now here you need to install these two plugins, WooCommerce and Woodmart Core. So let me install this one. So these two plugins are required. Alright, now here you can see update button. So I can update from here. Then click on next step. And here you can see these are the pre-built sites. So before installing, let me again go to WooCommerce. and update this plugin. Let me click here update button. So make sure that your WooCommerce plugin is up to date. Now let me reload this page. Then let me import this one. Just click here import button, and here you can see it is started. So guys, here you can see demo content is imported. Just you can view this page on the front side, and here you can see how it looks. A professional website with all of necessary features for e-commerce website. So now you can just easily edit and add your own content. You can go here, and here you can see these are the different sections that you can also edit one by one. And if you want to edit this entire page, just you can click here edit with Elementor. And after that you will be easy to edit any of these section. And here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. So now let's scroll down. If you want to edit any of the section or container, just you can go and click here. Then you can add your own content. For example, chase value, and here you can see text is changed accordingly. So let me show you. And after that simply you can click on publish button. So if you want to edit these products, how you can do that, just you can go back, scroll down, and here you can see this one products tab. In this tab you can easily edit any of the existing product, as well as you can also add new product from here. You can also import bulk products from here. And then if you want to change this logo, how you can do that? Just you can go in dashboard, and then here you can see Woodmart header builder, then scroll down and you can edit any of the header. So currently this header is active in website. Just you can click on edit button, and here you can change the logo. From here you can upload the logo file. You can also go here for the sticky header, and if you want to remove anything, just you can go and click here delete button. Then after that click here save header. So guys, in this way you can easily upload demo content in your WordPress website by using Woodmart WordPress theme.